yeah, check, 1, 3. Salento, make some noise! First and foremost, we want to say, Buonasera, Salento! Right now, play the intro English, play the intro.
Yeah.
Everybody!
Oh, yeah.
Mamanera! Hey! Listen to Dubplate now!
Here's a little Dubplate I wrote. Willie Chin will cut your throat. You better worry.
We'll make Dubplate. Volume, mic.
Every little tune that you play,
yeah.
it not gonna get no forward today. You better worry. Willie Chin make Dubplate.
Wants to big up Jazzy T from Renaissance. One of the baddest sound them gonna enter World Clash this year. And me a vote for him. Big up Heavy Hammer every year. I'm a real friend, family. Big up Salento. We love you. And big up reggae music. All who love reggae music. One in the air. Up there. Keep it up there. Up there. Up there. Keep your hand up there. Hey! Hey! Salento! All the red Bob Marley! Sing it out!
There's a natural mystic.
Hey! Argentina! Lighter! We're gonna chase those crazy bullets. Yes, English, bless up the beach. Salento, sing it out. Right now, hold on. Right now, I'm gonna play one of the biggest combinations ever. This is Bob Marley and Sister Kalanji. What do I hear? Where's it?
Yeah. Willie Chin.
Yeah. Sister.
And they can't keep a good man down. Keep my joy when they want me
Hold it
to
up.
dance. Rastafari, I go on the ground. They would never ever pay die brown.
Hey.
Jobless, I say no.
Sunday.
Please get it
Hey.
Here comes the officers, they're asking for a
Yo.
They find a weapon,
Yo.
that's me a drop her.
What was that?
You're standing as around.
They just can't stop me.
Finally the herbs come out.
Somebody say pull up.
Finally the herbs come out. They hide with the ducks and look back and get it by the phone, yeah. Sweet sensei a come around. Politically gotcha. What's it around so? Finally
Right now, what's that? Free Butcher Bantan. All the way Butcher Bantan. All the way Butcher Bantan.
Love is mercy, and mercy. Driver.
Princess
Run tune.
Sound boy, and them nasty virgin in the pass them bonus, we go baby them. Get to see as it starts to do, and when them see when it's selling so more dying. please, for line them beg.
Right now.
Try this to black Chiney to the mom them beg.
Right now, the next artist we're gonna play right now. I want my best friend there. Right now, we feel sorry for some boy girlfriend. Can give me this dog, especially for Mamanera. English, run the rhythm.
You take a boy, girl, and no mercy. No, hey yo, it's not the first, not the last. So much Chiney girl I pass.
Listen to the lyrics.
Even though them
This is going out to all and so boys.
let them have to slap that. Black Chinese gonna sleep with your girlfriend.
Play it again from the top. Why is the rapper early as the war?
Black Chinese, Lord, I'm
That you want?
got to go boy.
You think you bobbing on the up?
No,
Afraid?
no, hey yo, it's not the first, not the last.
For the next Christmas.
So much Chinese girl I pass.
Salento.
Lord, even though them ass flat.
Sing it out.
If you slap that, Black Chinese gonna sleep with your girlfriend. Hey yo, now the whole wide world can see. She said she only wants Chinese. Oh Lord, will it come my girlfriend? And it's in her eyes and it stops her from seeing. I know you will get mad to run. Black Chinese,
What was that? Black Chinese speak with your girlfriend, right? Black Chinese speak with your girlfriend. Listen to me.
It's a one year for the girl is them. Black Chinese and Willie Chen. Alright then, we see her there as scratch your chin. Because we take away all your girl them. Willie Chen fuck your girlfriend. Him fuck your girlfriend.
Yo, rapper, you have a friend. We don't come to rap that area. Try to. No, I didn't say. I'm not going to disrespect you. I'm just saying, if war is ready, we'll have it. But we're not coming to rap with Mamanera this year, right? Turn on the light on the crowd.
Y'all is one of the real girl is them enough. All the girl is friend them enough. I mean I say Bobby Chin, yo, Willie Chin, yo.
You guys ready to party yet?
Take with all the girl them.
You guys ready to turn up?
I want up my girl, it's a one year for the girl is them. Black Chinese and Willie Chen. Alright then, we see her there and scratch your chin. Because we take away all your girl them. Willie Chin fuck your girlfriend, him fuck your girlfriend. He push him on in her mouth.
Yeah.
Willie Chin fuck your girlfriend, him fuck your girlfriend. We killing sounds and not just chatting now. You know we are gonna kill them, Dubplate a go end them. Send them from yourself straight to afterlife hour. You know we are gonna kill them, not pretending. This big sound never feeling yo. Jump on sound, don't make me catch you, the bag and rise up your pressure. If you this Black Chinese sound, we are gonna kill you. From yourself, warriors, you ready? Kick them in and them belly, cause we are big bad sound and we not afraid of nobody.
Second, right now, you know Black China win 2 Grammys. Super Dupes is in the studio every day making rhythms. Him say, Willie Chin, I'm gonna give you a rhythm to bust up Mamanera Beach. Wanna ready for the rhythm? Wanna wire the rhythm? Run it! Black China rhythm. Yeah! Big up every hour! Yo! Remix time!
Kill them already with one, kill them again. Murder them already with one, murder them again. Dust them already with one, dust them again. Black Chinese sound killer. Black Chinese them a sound killer.
Okay!
Sing some sound coming now we hear a walk
We still get crazy.
sound. But of them run the country and not them new town.
If anybody disrespect you,
Come on,
jump on them and tell them this.
I know, some boy don't like Black Chiney. We don't give a fuck from customer.
If somebody disrespect you,
In your
look him in the face
where you been?
and tell him
But if
this.
you cross the line, bullets will come after you like a letter B. The first ever played in the world. Tioke alongside the governor, Lieutenant Stitchie.
Somebody,
It's a
take out the rock.
Governor, where's the way to kick it
Take out the rock.
Alright then.
Hey.
Cha la 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 la.
it.
The first ever played in the world. TOK alongside the governor, Lieutenant Stitchy.
Long time. Can't just wait.
It's a massive. It's a governor. Why is it we kick it first? Alright then. The first ever played in the world. TOK alongside the governor, Lieutenant Stitchy.
Long time. Can't just wait.
It's a massive. Governor, why is it we kick it first? Alright then. Number one, tell them you are champion. Tell them you are from the sun. Then you are still jump on. You know she's like the mama man. I know she's like the Gigi man.
Trying to kill you all the jump and boy. Some from the black country and some from the black town. If you check the phone, Kimona, Simona, Ramona, and Sonia. Ching-ching, ching-ching. Y'all love hear that sound, Cause super dukes and tell them send another phone.
What all of the bad man them right now? Gun on. Gun finger. Gun finger.
Yeah.
Gun finger. Open up it.
Yeah. So we have some black Chiney. Rise up the blood clot Chiney kill them. Origin, religion. No number class in the grid. Want to some fool. You know man a T that O that K. You know the P all these stand for. Blood clot China things with some okay.
What was I tell a boy right now? What was I tell him?
But the last round boy we walking on the door play faster than we see. And see if we don't put one shot through your brain. Make it real. Rock forward, them know we not play. When we say make it real, we are talk about black queen.
Keep up your gun finger. Keep it up. Everybody, stop the music. Me say keep up your gun on. Everybody. Gun on. When you have your gun finger up, you have a song like this.
Yeah.
TOK
In the building.
taking it back to the street.
Where we belong.
New York, Jamaica, Miami. Rise the gun fingers,
Mamanera, you guys having a good time? You guys having fun? Make some noise.
Wellington.
When I say black, you say Chiney. Black. Run it.
Yeah. In the building.
taking it back to the street.
We belong.
New York, Jamaica, Miami. Rise the gun fingers, let the fingers when I hit the squeeze fingers, feel them niggas. Where the big niggas represent for your block. Push up the gun fingers, feel all the niggas when I hit the squeeze fingers, feel them niggas. Where the big niggas represent for your block.
Nobody gets hurt. Anybody move, I get broke without the proof, never live on the dirt. When it's in the crew, pass through, live, boy, don't brush against a shirt.
Let's go.
When I come in, go away. No man. With a mix of food, with a blend of food, with a wrap up with. When I go away. No man. With a mix of food, with a blend of food, with a wrap up with. When I come in, go away. No man, no never. We will never go on the radar. Home music and up in a dance, and I think about clever. No tell me that sound clever. When y'all put up in a chance, so wine and a pass, tell me which one you prefer. Yeah, of course, woman forever. When I ain't a daily man, that's why we will never leave out dinner. Cause me don't know she ready to whatever. All I tell her, bring the tape measure. Me, I gonna give up the whole lot treasure.
Salento. Right now, want to see everybody get crazy when that rhythm here drop. If anybody not moving, they need to come out of the dance. So when this next rhythm drop, I want everybody get crazy. Let's go! Let's go! Get my
This guy is straight out the pen and paper. He got the later. If you love me, I don't know me, I don't know me.
Hold on! Wellington!
So me say again. Slew them up, their feelings them a carry. Them done go already and them can't say them sorry. Slew them up, their feelings them a carry.
Hold on now!
What do we hear? Who them a go to what them a try? Them got this up in the glass. What you all like them guy? Who them a make us them with the swell? Them is the money when and them come out and hey. Who them a pay? Who them a cause? Them this and that cause I know them all like the girls. Who them a make us bring them to learn? Tell them don't count this mama.
Level. Big up Salento. Mad. Alright, every time you say Black Chiney, we say Willie Chin and Bobby Chin. I want to introduce one of the new selectors and MCs on the sound. His name is English Fire. In Bad, I live in UK right now. Right now, I want to introduce yourself.
Good night. Good night. Como stai? Now, I've been playing Black Chiney 4 years. 4 years. That is the first time Willie Chin has ever MC'd for more than 2 minutes. Everybody give Willie Chin a round of applause right now. Willie, you're bad. Bobby, somebody call Bobby Chin and tell Bobby Chin is out of a job. Willie Chin bad. But you won't go on now. This is Mamanera, and we came to enjoy ourselves till the sun comes up. So if you are on the beach to enjoy Heavy Hammer, Renaissance, and Black Chiney, everybody money in the area, drop that one there, Willie! Drop it, Willie! Rough up, nigga, check it anyway! Yo, Johnny, turn it on now!
This is the posse, them a crawl. If you rock what you come and jump over the motherfucking wall. When copper stick, them for Jesus Christ, them a call. From the automatic weapon, them no hit and them no start. As of them no smart when it come to
when I say Bunty, you say killer. Bunty! Bunty!
And some man like super dude, same body
Bunty's winning!
same
Acting player!
But let me hear you say, whoa. Yeah. Me hear you say, whoa. 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 Yeah.
Hands up, hands up, hands up! Drop it!
Oh my.
Drop it!
10 kills in pan from morning. 3 o'clock in the morning. When them a walk up and down with them talking. I be have them woman panic cocky head balling. So the Black
Chiney morning!
Phone a go dead. Tell them not an argument. Black Chiney a kill. Them a take straight.
Turn the mic, turn the mic!
But heard with them back argument. Black Chiney a kill. We not take statement. Well, I'm a son boy for dead. Me say make it go so dead.
This is Heavy Hammer, Renaissance and Black Chiney. Juggling on the beach with the juggling.
All handcuffs. What do we want? And then we forgive but we not forget. And we enemies them we not get nothing. I'll do them fast if me I shit.
From you a hypocrite, no come here suffer, say you better stay. I get up here. Go sell my friend them out, they sit down in a beer.
We no play that. We no play that.
From you violate.
When you say Heavy Hammer, you say Bunty Killer.
Go done with but we know.
When you say Black Chiney, you say Bunty Killer.
So many well you chin, it's a killing thing. Well, any weapon on in them Black Chiney, them a go hunting. Whiny. Only one time while she kill her, Bobby Chin super looks. When you chin, it's a kill it thing. Any weapon on the black Chiney, them a go hunt.
Jazzy T, world class himself. Jazzy, world class himself.
Chin, believe it. So, black Chiney, with a nurse in the bed, when you bound, so they wanna powder. Anything to do. They don't know Bobby Chin. Don't shut us, stick them like a pin from deep within. So can those Willie Chin, believe it. So, black Chiney, with a nurse in the bed, when you bound, so they wanna powder. Anything to so can those, we are put it over. With a nurse.
One Jamaican song can grab me a black Chiney.
Alright, them not really want to see me reach for. Them not want to grab.
Listen. Anthem.
With your but mine moves the world, bumbo world, rascal, catches world, grasses. Yeah, what you say? Alright, such a mother, moves the world, such a mother. Alright, them not really want.
You know my volume, look at my volume.
Them not want to grab all of this car. Them want to love the face with car. But mine boosts the world, bumbo world, rascal, catches world, grasses. But what I tell you this, how we are rob your money and how we are fuck your bitch. You try to bring me down, you live without the pessimist.
Somebody say free the world, boss.
You are high glad, me not have time for you. Hold on, me not have time for you. Grassy, me not have time for you. Hey, Willie Chin, me not have time for no jail time, that's a waste time. Mine from my money and my money from my mind. Super Dukes, read it all the sign. Bobby Chin, read it all the sign.
Stop. Where's Rafa? Come here. Rafa is not a friend of Black Chiney. Rafa is family to Black Chiney. I don't have friends. Me not keep friend. If you're my friend, you're my brother, so I call you my brother, you're family. Jazzy T is my brother, that's family. You understand? If you're here with your real friends right now, everybody put your hands to the sky right now. Real friends, me a talk.
You know some friends, but some family.
Some boy can't stand to me. They want nothing to say that in their mind.
So they block you, but I pocket and parasite. Bad mind, get the best of them.
Drop him with it.
Hello, bad mind. Good morning.
No, so will it gone again, dog, gone.
Bobby not the intimidation. Come with a little boy, me no fear man. Look, see me to live up on this station.
Bobby Chin, the some boy.
Come on, come and up your mother. Inside your bad temp on me bank robber. Who boots up the Chinese seed and dada. You can't on your face to your thing.
Black Chiney no boy can't bad we up, but that we know. Black Chiney no but that we know. Them can't wild we up, but that we know. We no take style at times. Hey, Bobby Chin, them can't bad we up, that we know.
What the beat you got?
Black we up, but that we know. Them can't wild.
All of me and they can kill me with the
Follow me now. Black Chiney, we don't attack how we feel. No man nothing of you, no spite dealing. And the belly skin a bleach, no face and do nothing feel. No dear, no fear them, no dear. Feel say your bad, come touch me then. Come rush me then, must be some legend.
Them know me head mad, so me turn mad, so me turn mad. Them know me head mad, so me turn mad, so me turn mad. Hey, come on. Tell some boys if they know themselves. What at school, what them can't show.
earlier on, will you tell every selector to look out for them girls? You think I lie?
She a fireman, but Willie Chin not the only man she want. Only man she want, yeah. She no care if she and him fight or if him drive the far and he can't ride. I say, what up? I Willie Chin, what the Chin say? Our man says she very special, very special, like a giant.
Party on the beach, party!
Black Chiney, bunks are when you feed the girl them bubble pan. You know feed the girl them? Yeah, how the party you look so. Yeah, how the party you look so. How the girl them turn up on a look so. So you do to me? Black Chiney, bunks are when you feed the girl them bubble pan. You love to see the girl them a bubble put up your hand. You play song, the gangsta bus blank. Now the girl them time, play song, the girl white. Black Chiney a play and a rookie. Catch the baseline when she girl them a should be. Hey, when the girl them a dip it and a drop it you a man. Then you're not happy. But ready? Girl a dash out so me glad me come out. Ready for it, what you talking about?
Every girl, why?
Black Chiney, I play my song with the girl. Bubble, 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 girl, bubble, bubble, them a bubble, bubble, girl, bubble, bubble, girl, bubble, girl, bubble, bubble chin. Y'all they want it to puffin' like kick. Me have to ask if some of them right it. Watch the one the
Party, we say party. On the beach, in on the beach, on the beach, on the beach, on the beach, on the beach. Everybody know, party time, give me my party time. On the beach, Mamanera, on the beach, Mamanera. The girls want party with it.
Every gal get freaky, 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 freaky. Time to get freaky, 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 freaky. Gal, shake up your body line.
Shake your body line. This is a brand new Black Chiney ready.
Shake up your body line.
Can I play a new artist for you guys?
Bounce up your body line. Boom, 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 line.
Girl, you bad like Cena, Lexic,
Like Serena.
Freak.
like Athena. And them girl, them me want fi get Ina.
Can I play a new artist for you guys?
Some girl a cleaner.
Can I play a new artist for you guys?
When the girl a wine, she a tell me. When me grab her, she a ball out.
Brand new artist called Willie Chin.
Name she a call out. Me never get a wine like that. Do the 6:30 on the clock. If you turn us down, me no want that. Pop it up, girl, girl, you don't want that. Bubble, 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 bubble.
Everything like bubble, 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 bubble.
Bubble, 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 bubble.
Now we get serious now. This part of the night gets serious now. Okay? Big up to Jazzy T Renaissance. I line up, I know the 6 set up already. Alright? Part of the dance I get serious now. Alright? You don't see the picture song yet? Yeah, play it up? Drop it back there with me. I know a song now. We are sending the artists on road now. Send Willie Chin on road. Willie sing.
When me grab her, she a ball out.
This is Willie Chin on the Black Chiney rhythm. Sing.
Willie Chin name, she a call out. Never get a wine like that.
Ready, go.
Do the 6:30 on the clock. If you turn us down, me no want that. Pop it up, girl, girl, you never want that. Bubble, 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 bubble.
Girl, you are the one, hold me baby. Girl, you are the one. The cocky tough girl, ride me sturdy John. Back it up and me work feel long. Your pussy tighty, pussy tighty, your pussy tighty. Oh, you tighty, you love it, me love it. Oh, when you ride me, no, come girl. Take your time on the cocky darling. See nobody, no girl, you get it off in darling. See nobody, see nobody, see nobody cocky. See nobody, see nobody, see nobody cocky. I am say good and me want to fuck you. Nobody good and me want to fuck you. See nobody, see nobody, see nobody cocky. See nobody.
Where them a do, where them a try, tomorrow go fly. Yeah, chopstick no borrow, Black Chiney money buy. A boy will die.
Drop it.
Where them a
Police and thieves.
and boys and police, sing that
Ready.
Police and now what you say I just them now cool now.
Willie, you ready?
Unity day.
Play one of the artists, Willie.
You know, see no sound out of them thriller. Don't you know how to make them try? Black Chiney side them with light. Never have a problem, talk direct to me. Bobby Chin shall it down.
We know we are.
Black Chiney. This is what the gangster life is like. Roll out in a range or more time we ride a bike. I test it a girl in pussy pussy tight. She not got the bad mind.
Everybody sing, 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 sing.
Mother, oh.
Mister, we no want no friend from them. We no want no friend from them.
Put your hands to the sky! Put your hands to the sky!
Top shot and no miss.
Then see your eyes cry.
Make people eat fish and bread and have a nice time.
Where where Black Chiney come from? A Miami! A Miami Black Chiney come from!
In a bad man place. Foods get kicked in a place. In a bad man place. We back on the board while Johnny's still a place. Real bad man place. In a seat in a hand, it's trophy in a way.
Religion, Black Chiney, English fire! Ready!
When they squeeze and find boy head at east. Wipe up like banana leaf. Boy mother dream. Told me even she can't believe. She said the crime and can't believe. In a me good day. Step grass me gun give boy fear. Never know. So the ear.
Really when we say juggle, we say juggle!
Them want to know the reason why my rough face on the ceiling. Now me good evening. Hey, so some boy just chat. Then them want to take off girl fat too much. Then them come a road and a ask.
Have a Renaissance Black Chiney!
No boy can't make me run left my place. Draw me out like a TV and like place. Them into the shelly like rice leaves. Bobby give them a home page like MySpace. Super dudes can't hear me while animals training. Them go up and go down when it start. We nah go nowhere. You can't run Black Chiney from the yard. We nah go nowhere. Rise up,
Drop the bump on that!
hey, Bobby Chin.
When the time so with the pan lock, you put a run up and hide under your mama truck.
3 o'clock in the morning, when them a walk and down with them
Wait. We have a few more. And then we have a prayer. Renaissance, okay? Alright. Yeah. No. Play the first one you go play, sir. Yeah? Yeah, play. Right here? Alright, cool. Now, Willie's still a young guy. So you see all that jumping on the tables and stuff? Willie can have that. I'm an old man. All that table jumping and jumping on tables? Nah, son. I can't do that, son. Not no more, son. But let me tell you what I can do. When I go to a place called Jamaica, and I go into the hills of Jamaica, and I link with my Rastaman friends in Jamaica, and we drink with Guinness in Jamaica, the only other thing to do when it's not concerning girls in Jamaica, you get your hands like this, you scrape like this, you roll like this, you light like this, and you play music like this.
Big ups to Wasi Vine, Super Dukes,
like this.
Willie Chin,
Like
Bobby
this.
Chin, all Miami Massive.
Lighter! Lighter!
Creep on in,
Lighter! Lighter!
Go ahead and creep on in.
Lighter, Mamanera, lighter!
See, I'm riding fly.
Lighter!
Whoa. Yeah, I'm kinda pumped to see me.
You're a rapper!
All I got is 5. I got 5. I got 5 on me. Grab your champagne, let's get it. I got 5 on it. Still smoking lonely men, don't we? Chinese got 5 on it. And I know my enemies got my back. And I keep 5 on it.
Willie!
Chinese, let's go have fun, son.
Everybody bounce! 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 I bounce! I net! Bounce! 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 When I say black, you say Chiney. Black? Black? Do you remember? Mamanera, do you remember?
You want the girl them log on to your face. You want a blood clot kick in your face.
about the girl them below do you? Internet face. No girl can see down for me, hey. And if a girl try that shit, hey, she have to run the class. Y'all gon' make me lose my mind.
Chiney.
Come on everyone, let me see fire time. Baby, this is fire. Come on everyone, let me see fire time. I'm the real fire. All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. Keep quiet, everybody. Keep quiet, keep quiet.
Who better show me who you are?
And they say yeah, and they say that. Everybody, body in the audience. Say that.
I want to see your body in the air.
And they say that.
I'm real gunman, wait for the one not here right now.
Keep them up.
Man, wait for the one not here right now. Who no
You
better?
know some more black Chiney.
And sing again. None of them posted in a bad life way.
Willie. Yeah, man. Yeah? Alright. Now, it's time for the #1 juggling sound from out of Jamaica, soon to be the Clash King. Okay? This is the #1 juggling sound out of Jamaica. Soon to be the World Clash King. He goes by the name of Jazzy T from the Renaissance. So I want everybody to make noise for Jazzy T from the Renaissance. Everybody make some noise! Salento! We have to say big up everybody in the building. This is my first time in Salento. Let me see everybody who ready to have a good time. Put your hands in the air right now. Renaissance there to Bumbleclad.
Mina no one. Still a to the gang. Original.
Everybody know.
Sound owner them a fret. Renaissance when you a step, cause every door where you select and then the sound of this them dead. Select the outer breath and still I know you get create. I say when Renaissance I say they never make it, they never stand a chance. Them right get Renaissance and then we dead in a the dance. The speaker them turn up the equalizer so advanced. And some boy have to roll off of the hill like a balance. Well, they never make it, they never stand a chance. Them right get Renaissance and then we dead in a the dance. Them turn up the equalizer so advanced. And some boy have to roll off of the
Everybody hands up!
Okay, Renaissance, it's a blessing.
Everybody
I'm a holy man like King Selassie, understand, I tell you, whoa. Rise to the occasion, look at yourself. Look up myself for that Johnson T, you don't know, yeah? The Lord of Steel, some Auburn Steel, some Dubplate Tree, yeah?
The baddest son from Jamaica in the building!
Renaissance! What?
Santa!
Renaissance, I say they can't keep a good man down. Keep my joy when they want me to come. Rastafari, I go on the ground. They could never ever take my crown. Renaissance say, who jam this? I say, no man.
If you love good reggae music,
yeah, think about so I thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers, they're asking for a search. I don't touch them, no find no weapon and them can't church. Cause the solid leaders are off, just can't stop. Yeah, but anyway, right. Take a stand, it's Renaissance something. Never get it just down. No, they must have Johnny Space and then out of that tree. For my ladies, yeah. Where do you go? Young to need my love. Where do you go? So let us play, yeah.
sing it.
Where do you go? To come my way.
I'm in the yeah. Sure. Renaissance not take chat. Some sound of it in a combat. Two turn a drop in a van back. It in a Tijan back. Turn up sack it in a da backpack. Rubber killer sound one contact sound boy not know.
I'm in Italy.
I'm around like tourists on the beach with a few club sodas. Bedtime stories.
Let me see all my people from Salento right now.
Feel out workers and that's enough.
Dibbling dong dong, dibbling dong dong. It's Renaissance zone, it's Kingston dong. Dibbling dong dong, dibbling dong dong.
Everybody wants
Dance zone, it's Kingston dong.
Little son of the man and still a try to beg a thing. Them can't buy no dub, once of your mother king. Renaissance a stop, shop the cap a top system. All of the gangsta in the dance, them bust the M.
Yeah man, we play what we want, play what we want, play. And this is the vibes of the one car protege, the things of Jamaica represented for Johnson Day. And we see the Renaissance growing up, and we see music. What's your trend?
Hey, how we say Kingston? Tell them say P-Warriors. Again, how we say Kingston? Tell them we free up the mind, yeah. Jazzy T, tell them say Kingston. Tell them say P-Warriors. Me, and me say Renaissance. And we say free up the mind, yeah.
When Jazzy T a go so click clap, blow your bed, government fingers and tic-tac toes in it. And while they're working on the X's and O's, when you
I guess a Renaissance church for parents and give thanks for the deliverance. And this is Ivermore with the vote of thanks. I well seated in a Mount Zion. A Renaissance is the champion. Alright, so right, the world shall know. So how, so great is him. I know. Renaissance is the king of all sound. I guess this.
I have to love Italy, Salento. Everybody represent now. Big up to Heavy Hammer, Wrestler.
On to the money.
Everybody stop. Hands up.
Right now this is a sound guitar sound boy. I got that Renaissance. I'm that sound boy tonight. Oh,
Everybody rock.
just the ticket when rain and fall. Let's say you don't care. You kill them all when sun a shine.
Watch everybody at party. We have a good time tonight.
And you not see Dr. Dre and kill sound boy out the street. Oh, where Christoph get him nothing from? Nobody know him born as a killer. And yes, I see him so in grow. Oh, sound boy can't see when Renaissance at the streets. Them can't defeat. Yo, because I'm big shot.
Salento.
Renaissance a play on the dance of the man. Renaissance, something's gotta get.
answer now. Over the years, we see the words first when you know we serve just the work of the job, you know, and that's why we are doing the everybody said, Mamanera, bitch, now, what is that about? Something.
Renaissance, can't give up. I said there ain't no giving it. Yes, sir, and I say East and Second and Cease, and this is Chronics representing the Jazzy T. Yes, sir, and I say East and Second and Cease, and this is Chronics representing the Jazzy T. And we say we don't listen when men attack Chronics always.
What is it?
Renaissance. Rastafari never leave Jazzy T alone. So even when the road get rocky, Renaissance not give up. I say there ain't no giving in. And when the going gets tough, I say the tough gets going. Renaissance believing, don't give up. I say there ain't no giving in. No, Rastafari.
Everybody in Salento, you know what I'm saying now.
Renaissance, I say we no want no capitalists. That's ready. I suss them out with I'm and chalice. Jazzy T said,
yeah, oh yeah, Renaissance, yeah.
Big up to every hammer. It's a later one, Renaissance.
Tonight I jump and I get murder. Renaissance them come.
Yeah, oh yeah, Renaissance.
Oh, back like me the place.
Tonight I jump and I get murder. Renaissance them come to take over. We a drop big up in the area. Any sound violate get turned over. But as it see of the big rocket launcher, we'll all no lock it down with Bushmaster. I don't play to play in the area. Any sound violate get dead out here. And when them dub your beat, no time now waste. When I start killing you, kill you. Such as it even if you kill. Renaissance see them from where they analyze life. Some sound boy them now move right. This like them don't have no love and them thirst. If you don't like vampire, them come out at night. Serious time, some gruesome crime. Headless body, we see them and fine. Them now look.
Me a warn everybody tonight.
They ready to
Salento.
time. This is a warning. This some sound boy out the street. This is a warning. Them have been on the Renaissance now.
Because I'm a dog, but we the truth. The Renaissance now do us some sound I do.
Be up to Rafa. If you never do it,
Renaissance is the champion. No sound boy can't kill we now. Them can't kill we later. Renaissance sound is much greater than any sound with it on this later. Tell them later. Sound boy you can't kill we now. You can't kill we later. Renaissance sound and the dub creator. Sending jump onto the undertaker.
I'm sorry that you're sorry, but sorry's not good enough for me, baby. I'm sorry that you're sorry, but sorry can't dry my tears, lady. Each time we fight, you come with your same story. Now you're sorry.
Everybody sing.
I'm sorry,
Everybody sing.
Sing. But you don't mean it. You say it, but me don't believe it.
What I can say, man, I'm gonna have to change, you know. I'm gonna change.
Salento, I love you
I
all.
don't think there is a better song. My Renaissance, please guide my thoughts and things I do when the blessings come true. Hey, Renaissance, I'm glad the Renaissance that change. Got them know the future that go. Renaissance. No boy can't this we are real. Renaissance, pick up the link, wait on the link and keep the link sing. We links never rest, so we float never sink. Link it them up, we sing like Mamanera. What's on the boy, like you in a bag of tough chat Mamanera, what y'all? No man is an island, no man stands alone. Pick up the links, them we make this whole thing possible. Without the link, it would the world. As the team, pick up the links, them a Salento, Afro Valley. As a new wave, non-Spanish town. Put more Valley back to Jerusalem. Maxfield and the links on the wall.
Everybody, if you love Selassie, put your hands in the sky. Everybody like this now.
We can't last but workers out of iniquity. Rastafari, Renaissance security. And now we're going out and coming in. Hey, never leave by Jaja and guide Renaissance. And now we're going
welcome Renaissance in Salento. Once everybody, you get a name named Salta. Everybody stop.
Worry, we no worry. We sing for the girl. One sexy girl.
I'm making no. I say you get fuck on your list. Son boy you can't kill. When you sound you will tell them. No sound can't kill way. No sound out the road can't diss me up now. No sound can't kill way. No boy can't box when and kick me up now. No sound can't kill way. No boy out the...
I am going to buy a house in Italy. I am going to live in Italy. I come from Jamaica.
Massive and grown. This is T that old that gay representing the Renaissance of Spin on, party vibe and fling from and I get swing on. Let's give a clean swagger. I wear that worldwide, every girl I pray that when you say we use the jungle, Spanish soul, grand spin, come on. Renaissance a play, no push up, no flag. Renaissance and the body setter. Anyway you see we make a step, we are. They call them love jazz.
I want to see everybody at dance now. Want to see everybody hands in the air and top. Jump. Everybody clap.
I know we, and the people them say Renaissance, we are the roughest. Our style, man, the toughest. If a girl, we are the toughest. Our girl, them are the boldest. Cause we both sit up, yes, we not take care.
Big up to Black Chiney. Big up to Renaissance sound, that is me. Big up to Rough and Heavy Hammer. But Renaissance is the baddest sound in the world.
Whenever we die, over me something.
Let me tell you something.
We stand up for me.
Kill that sound, yo, Renaissance kill that sound, now, Dr. Dre kill that sound, now, just to see, Dylan no Mikey A, but we tell them start killing, just play that Dubplate, till a sound boy fade, put it in the cup and then start burying, cause you don't know, so stand up every day up on the track, all the girl them, them a talk, them great for the enemy, positive, all them a talk,
When you see me bump,
I see them no bad like we. Like with them no bad like we. Like with them no bad like we. The land of them no bad like we. If them don't know what we mean, tell them type for against the defense, type to come in.
when I say bounty, you say killer. Bounty. I say bounty.
Renaissance man as a murderer, group as a murderer, strike as a murderer, so fight as a murderer, fight as a murderer, we make it as a murderer. This one just the TV say you don't say you're a murderer. Not an police take when you're gonna try to murder you. He did it to murder you, the pressure you be murder you.
Everybody hands up, everybody hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
When your name shot, I shot, split you into it. Ellie, Patsy, by this my crew. Just for them a shot, them don't know what them a do. Them try copy, but them boy they get slow.
You are real top shot, right? The rocket katana, boy can't step in your shoe. Let the dip pasa, let the machatana, boy can't bother than you.
We murder them.
You murder them one by one.
We murder
and you
them.
have shot them two by two.
We murder
you
them.
slaughter them three.
We do your Renaissance.
No one here for all I wanna want to see we nice. No one here for all I wanna want to feel the choice. We tell me phone the call and I go get to know the life. But I go see we ever giving up, we ever fight. No one here for all I wanna want to see we this. No one
Vance Cartel, please. I'm going to play Cartel when he was black.
if I the pussy just say no, hang on. So shall not see.
That was Vance Cartel when he was black. My ladies, Salento ladies, let me tell you something. I fly so far to come here, crazy hours, and when I come here to see everybody party. Now after 3, everybody hands in the air. 1, 2, 3.
drinking. They love the drinking. We drinking. We drinking.
But we are drinking rum and Red Bull. And they see let me heart full. Them want we get awful like them want Renaissance get grappled. And on the rum and Red Bull.
Later is Dubplate for Dubplate. Raphael, my friend.
Cuddy, Renaissance now sell out infernal. Now got this infernal. Be a blessing smoky a son. Please your guide and represent Pepsi. Now sell out infernal. Now got this infernal. Be a blessing to your son. Please your guide and represent them. You and your friends now are feeling messy. Christoph, them know you not pre-bad.
Everybody, I fly far to come here. Let me tell you something.
Jazzy T love life. Dr. J love life. Delano love life. Pepsi them love life. No, no, we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Cause the future, the hours away. Renaissance, them a live them life today. Them a live them life today. Yeah, so now we make we talk, but we want to talk. We have not to say. Christoph, them a live them life today. Pepsi live theme life today. Buddy, come make we sing it out. Dr. Tree, them love life. Jazzy T, them love life.
Mamanera, please come again.
Hello, bad mind, good mind. No, say you never want Jazzy T, wake up, we keep talking. Bella, no, yeah. Hello, bad mind.
If you know you're not bad mind, everybody talk.
What you doing today?
You're not bad mind.
Smoke no one no strange face, round them at just so stay. Dr. Dre, we no beg blood clot friend. Now we no running pump.
Boy, best friend, I come to take your life for the worst thing you could ever see. Renaissance, how can a man know you are far away from your band? Turn round, be your enemy, and Pepsi. And we don't want a friend from them, cause them heart it full of jealousy. And the bullet we use to shave a flask.
We sure.
Oh, them want it.
Salento.
Dr. J, how if you just them in a turn? Hey, where them a do the icon? I'm just saying for them, say them are your friend. And when you take it out, them is a different person. Them no want see you to be like burn. Them want you live your life in a bed. I'm just saying, oh, you piss me and your friend. And when me take it out, and cause it is enough for them who won't see you.
Rafa, come here. Rafa came to Jamaica. I gave Rafa marijuana ganja. Lighter, 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 lighter.
Check. Renaissance sound. Check, 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 check. Renaissance, Jazzy T, Milan, we ready. We ready. Yeah, we ready. We ready. Yeah, we ready. We ready.
I'm going to kill everyone later.
Hey, we ready. We ready.
Kill me and Chiney later.
We ready. Renaissance ready. 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 Check. Renaissance for you raising up. I know the crowd just waking up. I said Renaissance sound amplified. And nothing can break it up. They call them a wine and stop. We have drinks then in a my cup. We gonna party all night, all night. 24 parties they hit in a row. Tonight at the very last show. Before we are not on the road. The girl them a release the load. So let me see your hands up so.
Everybody hands
now
up.
put your hands up so. Renaissance are the #1 sound you know. We're ready for the road.
Hey, hey, hey.
Renaissance. We're ready for the road. We're ready, we're ready, yeah we're ready, we're ready, Jazzy T ready, we're ready.
Everybody, everybody, Santa, 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 Santa. Everybody, Santa, 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 Santa.
Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump right now. That's a wave, that's a wave, that's a wave up now. That's a wine, that's a wine, that's a wine up now because it's carnival. Everybody take a jump, take a jump.
Something on wheel.
That's a wave, that's a wave, that's a wave up now. That's a wine, that's a wine, that's a wine up now because it's carnival. Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now.
Rafa, don't pull up my song when I'm playing. You know why?
Balancing when we on the road. Watch me balancing, watch me balancing. Yes, we don't take any road.
balance it. Yes, we don't take any evil, but we balance it. But we balance it. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up. Everybody left. Shake up the place. Jump up, shake up the place. Shake up the place. Jump up, shake up the place. Shake up the place. Throw your hand in the place. Shake up the place. Everybody listen, listen.
Come on everyone, when this is Renaissance time. Give me someone when there's no one shine. Come on everyone, when this is fire time. But the real fire's on and fire on our mind.
What is it? Tonyo, 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 Tonyo. Yo, listen, what are you doing? Hey, where you light up? Where you light up? Where you light up?
Yo, hey, Renaissance, I tell them, say get to the point. God is the Rasta man and I'm above the chalice when they young keep up joint. Yo, get to the point. God is the Rasta man and God is the Rasta man. Renaissance, and that will tell them, say, hey, 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 this is the calamity. Listen, Rafa.
Renaissance, oh my, fine about it, why,
When I say Jazzy, you say T. Jazzy, Jazzy. When I say black, you say Chiney, black. When I say heavy, you say hammer, heavy. Renaissance, the baddest sound in here. Somebody calling me on my cell phone. Hello? Ciao, ciao. You voice dub from Mamanera Beach. Oh my God, people. This is War 21. Straight from Jamaica. Please listen, he just called me on my phone.
You know how we roll. Yo, Salento, this is War 21 and the Renaissance gang. And if you love Mamanera Beach, just start jump to this. Renaissance, make them jump now. You know how we roll. War 21. Renaissance gang. Easy Dility. Easy Dr. Dre. Pepsi Christoph.
Yes, well.
Easy Jazzy T. You don't know what 21 represent.
Everybody jump.
Renaissance jam till the sun. So come here like a data. Pass it and run. Hey, what? Renaissance young. Easy Dility. Easy Dr. Dre. Pepsi Christoph. You know how we roll. Yo, Salento, this is War 21 and the Renaissance gang. And if you love Mamanera Beach, just start jump to this. Renaissance, make them jump now. You know how we roll. War 21. Renaissance young. Easy Dility. Easy Dr. Dre. Pepsi Christoph.
Yes, well.
Easy Jazzy T. You don't know what 21 represent. Yeah.
You War 21. War 21.
Renaissance jam till the sun. So come here like a data. Pass it and run. Right, water, one fire hot. And I can't do a tata. You go walk out in a lamb to the start. This is woman in a bungle and half her quarter. Dance I go nice and me want be a partner. Some of them all 50 and grata. Some of them young but I love them the starter. Renaissance, we feel like paper. More than a decade we are the innovator. The dance I go mash up and nobody couldn't greater. Renaissance sound 21, nature, laser, like razor. Stand up on the pacer. Impress the girl cause she tell me I'm laser. From a
Una comunicazione di servizio, Lorena di Barletta, Mago ti aspetta qui alla console. È urgente.
Mash up the town, mash up the town, mash up the town, mash up the town, mash up the town.
We turn up the bass, mash up the place and make some sound. Why run? Renaissance will let you eat just like a Sunday. We turn up the bass, mash up the place and make some sound. Why run? Renaissance will blaze the fire, make it burn them. We turn up the bass and make some sound. Why run? Renaissance will let you eat just like a Sunday. I wanna post, but because of post them, so we approach them, couldn't suppose. Killing the floors, the sicker than most, defeating the force, me one of the most. All of my dog, all of my jack, never yet fault and never yet flop, never yet halt and never yet stop. Give up with yard and never yet drop. Just the young gang, the legend is born. Make them it hard, make them it strong. Give them it rough, give them it long, give them it right and never yet wrong. Sweet at the beach, the hot at the buckle, the big at the club, the fat at the buckle. Everybody has a might have a knuckle, it's into trouble selector. We turn up the bass, mash up the place and make some sound. Why run? Renaissance will blaze the fire, make it burn. Turn up the bass, mash up the place and make some sound. Why run? Renaissance will let you.
In Jamaica we smoke high grade ganja. If you love ganja weed, put your hands in the air.
Open an Escobano, guzzle my second bottle. Hope I don't catch a homo.
Hey, what are you about it? Hey, you think of that? Who called me on my phone a while ago? Who called me a while ago?
Let me tell you something.
Alright.
Put in a place you go, anywhere we go. Put in a place you go, anywhere.
What a great about it. Some boy on bait. Holy shit. Hear me now. Renaissance. Let me tell you something about some boy. Everybody know. Alright.
Put in a place you go, anywhere we go. Put in a place you go, anywhere we go. Your pussy well we not trace with you. We ain't come out.
Somebody say word! It's now time for the great heavy hammer. You want me to play more? I play 3 more then. People, Salento is so nice, I love it. Oh my God. I love Salento. Everybody in Salento, let us have a good time right now. I'm gonna play 3 more songs and then heavy hammer again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, me sell big body Renaissance, I say.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's positive the land, I'm such a. Yeah, let me know we stay.
No place sound.
Last moment, hear me now, Renaissance. Baby girl, you look so good tonight. Good tonight, look good tonight. Futuristic party with flashing lights, flashing lights, flashing lights. Dance floor pump full of people, and me and my girl in the middle. While Renaissance play our favorite song, one by one. I'm feeling your heartbeat, pulling me closer, closer, one by one. When Renaissance play, the world gets stronger, stronger, one by one. I believe you and me, we love in this.
I'm going to play Renaissance exclusive Mufada right now. Mufada!
One by one.
Renaissance gonna make you wet. Feel it wet now. Hey, I'm gonna make you feel my love in all the
Yeah, I'm missing.
She didn't know to tell him she was in love with the Jazzy. And like the fire was burning, burning, till that time what she was
I'm missing.
and she didn't know to tell him she's still in love with the.
Let me tell you something. This artist I'm going to play is mashing up the world. You know about Kabaka Pyramid?
Come to him. Hey! I'm missing no. Renaissance around the place. In respect, tackle a lyrical, bringing back original. Slice of file, them are arrest me as a criminal. Renaissance take you to the pinnacle, from analog to digital. Prescribe Panadol for pain to your physical. Pinpoint accuracy, accurate is dope. It's a backconnect, we broken like a chocolate, immaculate. Pull them up and poker like a battery. Fire on the posse, them are attacking the Ross again. GPS tracking them and chopping them to pieces.
Damian Jr. Gun Marley, alongside Stephen Marley. Everybody, hands up. Brand new tune, brand new. Listen. Hear this.
And blaze up the fire. Company plan the Babylon and conspire. Chant fire, bring the your eyes get higher. We hail up the king and say Mama Janaya. We mash up and traitor and
She's from fire.
you never miss the water till them well run dry. Gorilla warfare man in a jungle attire. You is a rabbit in jail and sleep on fire. Man a defend the green and flame and copper. Some of them work out with only them are the sweetest slayer. And anything I'm tell you what they first one to buy. African queen mama skin.
Black and fire.
And anything she wants to chow with people. Now go give you half you get the whole empire. Blaze up the fire, make the place burn fire.
If you love Judah, God, put your hands up. Judah, God.
Them out of the park home run down my fire. Get ready for the giddy and fire go shot fire. This is not the bully that sing like Mariah. This Queen Omega gonna sing like a choir. This King Selassie play shell down. Isaac get the drum and a defend the empire. Magamuffin have this something down to a science. Maga rise it up and boy I run like a science. Big Gangzilla, yo, you're dealing with giants. Three superstar line up like Orion. This a no papi show Rasta tough like fire. And a rebel always run defiance. Babylon a preach why you
want to hear Judah gon' get mad now.
I'm through my premium clients. Cheetah and hyena, well them can't defeat lion. Real bongo now ya where the girls admire.
When I say Jazzy, you say T. Jazzy. Heavy hammer. People, it's been nice. Salento, I love you. Ciao. Big respect. Big up to my people who flew from Germany here too. Big up the Germans who came to Salento to come and party with the Italians. My German friend here from Saarbrücken, Germany, criminal house. Big up yourself. Saarbrücken is my place. And Salento is my place tonight too. So, we want to let in. Oh, is Willie Chin? Oh, okay. Rafa.
Quanto ha spaccato a Jessica? If Jessica boss Mamanera say yeah! I want more. I don't want Renaissance alone. I don't want Black Chiney alone. I want Renaissance and Black Chiney together. Se vi piace l'idea di Renaissance e Black Chiney insieme, dite pam pam pam! Yeah, the people want to live together.
Black Chiney.
To this crowd something they never seen before.
Kick it off like American football blaster. Black Chiney.
Black Chiney and Renaissance, the two baddest songs in the world.
Black Chiney.
Everybody hands up.
All of the wicked are come with them ways. Black Chiney, still I give thanks and praise. All of me the part of food on the bread.
Let me give you some love and affection. Anytime you need a love, call on.
Rafa, you run from the war? Oh, okay.
Black Chiney ladies now. You can. Yeah.
Everybody hands up.
Anytime you need a love, call on me.
Now, Rafa said he's going to teach we how to mash up Salento. Rafa, let me teach you how we bust Salento now. Willie Pietro.
Black Chiney love you. It's Black Chiney sound. And just in case you never know. Just in case you never know.
me gun got up. I'll be me.
Really well play bounty killer again.
Some punch it out. Don't so swear that them blood clot. Tell them that one you need blood heart. Go back when you're down, you're pushing a push, yeah. Black Chiney, they tell them say some boy no pass so far. They never move and make we go fast. Hey, boy, we get well called them stars.
When you talk about bounty killer, really give me a next killer now. Killer.
Wait, I want up on them eye. As one was start to cry. When them see them, I would die. This one was just a guy. Me on the kind of lie. Me see them for the
bounty killer.
Well,
the strange to Mr. Black Chiney, he's the man. Passage up in his. You know, it's a super shiny.
Bounty again.
Let them
Bounty.
Black Chiney, not trace. Killer, not horse. Killer, puppet, not Black Chiney.
Bounty again.
Body shit, right hand.
Bounty again.
Check it out. Tell them people say Black Chiney no normal. Watching the girl come she is
Bounty again.
They only find ways to accommodate.
Bounty again.
Girls on the trace. Hello. A restaurant them a create on the gal. But the food and the play.
Military bounty again.
Body shit. Let them know. Well, now them boy a piece me try to counteract the mystery.
Military bounty killer again.
No, it's a killing thing. How about killing you know guns and sing? We kill anything in the way. We make nothing down there in the way.
One buckler military bounty killer again.
All my rascal swing. Let's go.
Black Chiney, born as a murderer. Grew up as a murderer.
Hold on, you think bounty done yet?
Girls born to kill alongside Black Chiney. I don't know, super hits. I don't know.
Renaissance Black Chiney.
No, they can't wait.
Black Chiney, born as a Chiney man. Grew up as a Chiney man. Type as a Chiney man. Survive as a Chiney man. Hype as a Chiney man. Connected as a Chiney man. Tell them Black Chiney represent for all the Chiney man. Black man, police to burn them right, show them a Chiney man. Feel it as the Chiney man. Them pressure hit the Chiney man. We don't see no one affected.
Military play a tune again now.
So why you like
we tell them, no sound can't kill Black Chiney. No for them up and them up anyway. But them not go see, Black Chiney now go pop down English. Yeah, it's funny how them can pretend to see. No for them up Black Chiney. Them not go see,
Military play a tune.
This a survival story, Black Chiney story. This is my story, Black Chiney story.
Everybody,
I remember those days when hell was my home. When me and mama bed was a big piece of home. And me never like pay, my ear never come. When mama gonna work, we go street come home. I remember when daddy them take me snow cold and making me go bread and them kick up the road. I remember those visit them with a big stone. Them wine and me pop out so we went full crown. I remember when we run, but I get in the blood. I'm the best when we she get to the grind down. I remember so Florida turning a war zone. And Bobby mother fly out English get alone. But Bobby go upstairs, got on all Capone. Make one leave for money, say me no I won't. Now we all have to sit.
Select everybody, put your hands up now.
Bobby call up on the phone, Mr. Black Chiney. We got the thing now, them get fucked now. Me squeeze seven on the
We
wheel.
are shoot rubber.
We have to leave
We are shoot rubber.
and we not broke now. Ra.
Them and them with them when I go just bust it up.
Hey! Let me tell you something. Pick up all the ladies here, but someone watch it pum pum. Will you when you say Rafa watch pum pum? Yeah?
I bet he has.
I need to watch it boom, but I watch it boom, but corny niggas. So I watch it boom, stop watching girls, but I watch it boom.
I'll say them a shut up and I watch them woman. How we call them boy there? I'll say them a shut up and I trail them woman. How we call them?
So all in the like we suck your mother. All in the like we suck your mother. All in the like we suck your mother. And I know what they you know what's up. Yeah, you know hear me say, oh no. When you want the kid, yeah man, I want the shit.
When you see real power,
Nobody will slip. From your city, no be trying to press it. From your city,
we never
Black Chiney tell them no way. I man say no way. Black Chiney we say no way. Bubble Chin them say no way. They say Black Chiney nah, say we nah stoop low. We the chin him nah, say him nah stoop low.
We burn some boys, tell them.
What a bad man, so we no friend fish.
Black Chiney.
Rafa, line up. People, we want to see Rafa come bust the place like we. With it, you know what? Play 3 more songs. And then Rafa go play and then me play again and you know what I mean? Fun in the morning. Hear this now.
Black Chiney.
This is original. This is original. Everybody remember the original now.
Black Chiney no bread and only goes on wine. And them select us like a go on wine. But this Black Chiney, me go here don't wine. In a job that you are go on wine. Black Chiney no bread and only goes on wine. And them select us like a go on wine.
When we play Bujo Mansion,
they go there don't wine.
You think I know it?
Don't bring here, try to answer what I'm not signing. I want to fuck your man. I hear, hold on, fella. Send it and some post letter. Yo, I'm from the summer and past the gate. Don't be the Black Chiney, get it and I'll run. Take you with us from your party, I don't know. Straight to the
think I want Bujo.
Head and their pussy honest. Should I know who you are back with before you send it? Make it run.
Renaissance Black Chiney brothers. We the Planix Bujo.
What do I do? What do I do? Black Chiney got a brand new gun. Africa's Black Chiney gun and them start to run.
Why you want to kill so?
Yeah, when they was a young black man, I slap Black Chiney don't play with me, I kill pussy.
Rafa, this war bigger than you. You not a tune to play. We are full of tune. Will you play a last song now?
We'll take this up on violation or intimidation. Yeah, man, no bitching. Black Chiney, no fright, no for nobody. But we respect everybody. And we better than everybody. Religion can run with anybody. And a boy no better than we. No song no better than we. Pepper we gone and say. Run the bad and sand pan. Black Chiney not in a bag of long talking. Do something.
Peace for balancing, super love, yo, for the clip gonna stick when they run out. She's not used, I've got the fucking done out. When I put I get that shit done out. But they run out, them get run out.
I shoot them sound like a flip on me. Papa, attack them with the 12 years remote.
You want to see the class moving? Karate Kid, King Willie.
You really got to know, we don't play, yeah, that's the way, no. Every night and day, yeah, you got to know, we don't play, we fire money, one of them, let them know that we're not them, no fresh from none of them, the fire money, one of them, Black Chiney,
really check your karate, everyone.
Out there, them is you know them, no rot, them, they go kill them with karate.
Yo. Mamanera, make some noise for this fucking fat guy! You know, Jazzy, one thing me like Mamanera is Mamanera vibe on the Bahama. One thing me like is when an artist come here, the artist feel the vibe and give a show that's no normal. Quando l'artista viene qua, sente che cazzo è il Mamanera e fa una roba che non fa neanche in Giamaica. Fate un po' di casino per Black Chiney e Renaissance! Yesterday night, we have been in a place called Lizzanello with Mighty Crown, this fat guy, the man is still there, Willie Chin, and everybody. And then it's the original Salento Turcinedi. Some real pezzetti di cavallo. Willie eats everything. And this guy ran out of the table calling somebody a Jamaican to hide. So first thing, we won the food clash yesterday. You can't say no. Second thing, fuck with me, Mamanera is like to fuck with your mother in that kitchen. Remember me tell you.
what we're going now. We're gonna close in 30 minutes. We're gonna give you a show that you can remember for the next 5 years. Okay, Jazzy? Line up on the fucking show. We're gonna start with the original Mamanera anthem. Jazzy, the next time you come here, you have to link with the artist called Bundabash. Because Bundabash can mash up Mamanera like nobody else. Play the fucking Bundabash for Mamanera.
Every other song that is Sound Clash hero. Mamanera bust up, you know, say the big tune. I want to sound more.
Mamanera, the sun that come up.
Number one, yo.
It's on the social now.
Cheers.
So let me see the lights on the air. Renaissance and I'm a black Chiney.
Aspe, Ebi Hammer, apri buone le ricche. Ebi Hammer allo Mamanera sai suonare anni. Ogni clash, ogni fiata è fatto solo danni. Siete scanni, i tu gioca con i dischi, tu giochi con le bandi.
Mamanera bitch!
Allo Mamanera sai, de sempre se balla.
Some of the ass in there, Mamanera bitch again!
Allo Mamanera sai che giusta la giornata. Sabe che musica vuoi senza punni la cercata.
If you want to listen to Maria, Evi Hammer anthem, say Evi Hammer!
Run with them in the water, just have them. Yeah, bands and little shot it.
Sound killer! Sound killer!
Evi Hammer, Renaissance and black Chiney. Shame our life, remember me tell that.
Kill them already, we gon' kill them again. Murder them already, we gon' murder them again. Dust them already, we gon' dust them again. Yes, we're sound killer. Every hammer them a sound killer. Shaggy, see.
Bossa shot every hammer sound on ya. And them will.
Mamanera bitch, been telling them.
EGM crew, they go to say every hammer sound system play. Every hammer, watch out. Every hammer sound is the Italian sound killer. Killer sound in every city, every country, every yard.
She mashed up.
Them think you can play ball together, I'm the fucking man.
Every hammer them no business. Everybody there try to hold the peace.
Tell them that we hot.
Where your flag right now? Let me see your flag right now. This is Evi Hammer anthem.
Right now I represent for heavy hammer sound. Rap for Jackie.
Mamanera, if you're in a good time, say rah, rah. Say me, say the diversity, they be rah, rah.
Cool. From me born, me know me mother, my father. I saw me know say just say the other. You not go see me a man move wrong, you mad? No. Hard man, pull up on the jigger in a pussy, any empty. Just over the hard them go past empty. Road to them down to spend it. That me them intensely.
This podcast can't eat like Italian guy, you see, you go, kill me, I'm gonna watch it. Shut it.
What is that same to the time?
Let me tell you something about this fucking Italian.
Let me tell you this. Every hammer sound. Goodbye, turn them.
Mamanera, walk.
You talk about JJ and you talk about Getty.
I like it.
You know, sir, you know, madman, you must take
English, welcome back to Mamanera, please.
Every hammer sound. Goodbye, turn them. If you crash every hammer you get, punch at in your head, me gun. Long like eagle lead him. Turn them. You got from Germany, to be used and murder many. Any man with a gun, after we turn them. Me eagle, and the early bird. You are the bird, 8 mile and turn them, but no return them. Can't add the way me.
Yeah, Willie.
Get turn them. Hey, Rafa.
You have one lip of coming back for you, but you can't play the ride up from Mamanera Beach. You know what now?
Heavy hammer in the place. Sound boys rest in peace. Heavy hammer in the place. Sound boys rest in peace. Heavy hammer in the place. Sound boys rest in peace. Heavy hammer in the place. Sound boys rest in peace.
One thing we tell about Heavy Hammer in Mamanera, we mash up the place like no one.
Let's go. Yeah.
Mamanera!
If you wanna sound that,
somebody say the fucking pool up!
If you wanna sound that, put your hands up. Heavy hammer in the class, put your hands up.
Mamanera, you want some more?
Put your hands up.
Let me show you, I'm gonna kill him out. Watch it.
Sound boys, you go dead now in the sound class.
Let me show you when I'm play at the rock one.
Boys, you go dead now in the sound class.
Kill that sound. Yo, kill that sound. It's the heavy hammer. Yo, kill that sound.
Man, this is the showtime about to kill a selection friend of mine.
Kidnap that
motherfucking phone. This is the name of some baby.
It's the
Every hammer them a killer. No need a reason to kill. All you need special season to kill.
Sound of the winner. Sound of the winner.
Sound of the right bush for Mamanera bass.
Sound of the I wanna win some white thing. You walk up to me any hammer with master league. Sound of the we brush them out like king. Why them back down and break that passing. Sound of the
you're just in.
Wanna win some sound. Yes, they every hammer and get crushed.
You can't intellect in Italian, but let me tell you, you can't do a next thing. Watch it.
Anyway, come on. What me say? Uno fi say. What me say? Uno fi say.
Bumbo
Get the fuck up. Every hunter says, get the fuck up. Throw your hands in the sky. My people's in the back, sit back, yo, what's up?
This guy from Kingston, Jamaica said they can play the most bounce killer, but here what?
Here I go down. Blood clot David. Heavy on my territory.
No matter how many, no matter which one.
Well, heavy on my soda kill them with originality. Possession give you respect and love equality. It's so good and pay attention to me clarity. Heavy on my head, girl, them love your personality.
Stop the play from the intro, my brother. One thing we know about Mamanera, it's the biggest place I love in the world. No matter Jamaica, Japan, or whatever, my home is like no one.
Italy, heavy hammer sound, baby. The dog, that's the fuck.
Heavy hammer
When the
sound.
real ganja smoking at the place, give us a license in here.
Papa, Jockey, Gigi,
That's the man that got my combination, yeah, man.
Dubplate, baby, rock,
Yes, sir.
you already know.
Heavy hammer sound, baby.
Yeah.
The only real shit going, nigga.
Heavy hammer sound.
Yes, sir. Heavy hammer sound. Yes, I'm rocking heavy hammer sound. Listen to this heavy hammer sound. Bring me this heavy hammer
Heavy hammer
sound.
checker, I tell you sound like check. Put it down the sector to bring nectar.
Mamanera, can go play some more, say yeah.
To the hip and the hop, you don't stop. Heavy hammer got the place on lock. To the hip and the hop, you don't quit. Heavy hammer, and they can't rip shit. Yeah. To the hip and the hop, you don't stop. Heavy hammer got the real hip hop.
When Mamanera, one thing me like to do under the sun.
Quit. Heavy.
When the sun come up, Mamanera, one thing me like to do.
Yeah, that's right. We doing it like this. Live from Salento. Heavy hammer sound. What you know
See
about?
the guy that line up the tune there?
Let's fucking do this shit. That's right.
This fucking supermarket posted a trouble guy.
Set the one on the flam. Boy, in tip, I just toss that ham in the frying pan. Like spam, get done when I come and slam. Damn, I feel like the son of Sam. Don't make me wreck shit. Hectic next in the chair got me going like General Electric. And the lights off. I'm thinking it's all over if I go out drinking. Oh, make it.
Mamanera, se vi siete divertiti, mi fate pam 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 pam. Everybody make some noise for a man called Renaissance Sound Chasity. Everybody make some noise for this guy called Black Chiney. Jazzy, you can play Serrani and bugle like that, but you cannot play Serrani like this.
Heavy hammer. Watch them little coffee and them little coffee.
Every hammer sound they come to another level. Inevitable.
We haven't played that yet. Mamanera, show me the answer here. Watch it.
You try kill every hammer boost the one suck your mother now. Tell you the this another sound. Cause tonight you're the answer.
Watch them.
Papa, I'm looking at some pussy bitch. Me know that them want kill me now. Them a pray for God try me.
When I say bounty, I want to say killer. Bounty.
I want to kill.
Please, little thing, heavy hammer, and kill them half. Grease up the pixel.
They play the Batman story, right? But remember me tell you, you are in Mamanera. There is no Batman story like the Italian
It's an
story.
Italian story. Heavy hammer story.
Where they come from?
It's a Batman story.
Where?
Salento story. Hey.
Heavy hammer bus dance from Italy war zone. Straight from 99 in a Salento town. Them no need no bag of talk. Fi pop up them gun. Heavy hammer come and war them for done. I remember when rapper start build up him sound. Speaker steel and good. What pound be pound. I remember when Jackie start select his sound. Rapper cut the
when the light was in there.
In his home in a 2007 we kill sound and Rome. 3 more in a Stuttgart and 5 more at home. Every time heavy hammer rise.
Just to say he can play the most damn money in the world.
Take it too far. Rapper dead the mic.
No boy.
Bird, the 6 more barrier.
No matter how far it go can play damn man like heavy hammer.
It's well known.
Nobody ever go now.
Yo, Italy no good. The world no good. It's a bomber clock combination.
Bomber clock, he said damn man, line up the damn man.
Well, once again, voice to the one called Big Mighty Heavy Hammer Sounds.
Them not ready for Shaggy.
Rapper JKGG. Quasta, Lep, Boris, Chancha.
Mamanera, se vi siete divertiti alzate una mano in aria.
Guarda Michael Rose.
Questi sono i 2 sound migliori al mondo per me, non so per voi.
Whatever you can do, you can put them down. Yeah. Cause they are the champion sound. Straight up from my Italy, them kill your sound. Yeah. So here comes every hammer sound. Every hammer, every hammer. Every hammer kill your sound. Every hammer, every hammer.
Mamanera!
To the zilla. Every hammer kill your
Every hammer got the bombs. And the big weapons. And I is not having
Stop every fucking thing. You don't play the Shaggy? No Shaggy. Last show for heavy hammer. They say can play bounty, bounty, bounty. But you have one no. Nobody can play Beanie Man and bounty like heavy hammer.
Heavy hammer! Heavy panda! Bounce up!
Post soul and want to listen to Beanie Man alongside.
So let's say if we have a good time, say yeah.
We have
yo, it's the prophecy and the doctor. Hey, yo, yo! Some motherfucking niggas ain't nothing but hotter. Hey, yo! Birds.
You are no good like mine.
All of the big man and the terrorists. Hey, yo!
Nobody more better with this one. You was there.
It's Beanie and Bounty. Heavy hammer alone can play. Them sound like them say them can't wait. Them Dubplate phony. It's Beanie and Bounty. Heavy hammer alone can play with. Them sound like them say them can't wait. Them Dubplate them phony.
Well, have you ever heard that dub mashing up in every crash? Don't you need it heavy hammer when we are to them dance?
I was just going a while ago. What just happened a while ago? Alright. If you want to see Renaissance kill heavy hammer in Salento, put your hand in here. Alright. Rafa, let me teach you something tonight. Renaissance is not a sound to play with. We are the baddest sound in the world. Let me play this song, everybody hanging on here, let me kill every hammer now.
Renaissance sound.
Let me kill every hammer now.
Why you tell you so? Plug in for your song, boy.
Let me kill him now.
Just on the line, murder. I refuse it, I'm do to kill a sound every night. Somebody didn't know dance all tonight. Could have never test Renaissance, no matter how them try. Somebody didn't know.
Everybody pop now.
Yes, we don't be better, sound boy. Renaissance, be better, sound boy.
Tell them.
See, you only got a few seconds more to drop it right there.
When you call about Salento, Sizzler Colonji, everybody lighter.
Renaissance, no banana put away, and the brown. What goes around goes forward and round. Put them.
Let me kill every hammer now. Let me kill them now.
Oh, we tell them the bad man not bad friend, cause they have me dead. A bad man not bad boy.
This big dancer, we
kill every hammer so well.
We don't want to be up, we want. So everybody's bad in your name. I'm not dancing, I dance. Now what's in all the dance that you.
Let me kill Rafa now, Rafa.
Ask them a question.
Ask them for this.
How where the bomber clado you? Where young Renaissance we come to slaughter you? How where the last everything we after you? I come with my way up we want the daughter you.
I want to want it. I want to I like that. Me want to I like that. Alright, I'm in all of this. All of the man them when one them no more. Shabba put on and say yo. All of the guys them when one them.
Heavy hammer talk about bounty killer.
You play a bounty killer beanie man. This is the baddest bounty killer ever in Sound Clash.
No mercy. Because the man called Johnson P, the man called Lily, fools must be silly. That's right.
Everybody hands in the air for fashion. Back with you.
Well, I'm a soundboard for them, Mr. Make you go so deaf. Renaissance fully loaded. I'm a shot in on them gun. Come on, top. Go get the bounty killer. Them boy. Shoot off them and make up on them wits. No mercy. Renaissance. Them boy you dead this time. We have a gun your neck. See them good. All get same height. Every so I like a line. Will it just speak the mind of man.
Kill him. Everybody will have something. Wave your hand right now. When you kill somebody, you know, everybody wave some now.
Hey! Stang!
Let me show them how to kill some now.
Start so! Stang digga digga dang 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 digga digga dang 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 digga digga dang 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 dang. Everybody wave your hand. Stang digga digga dang 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 digga digga dang 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 digga digga dang 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 dang. Renaissance number one. Someone love Renaissance just put your hand up in the air. We feel a sound and we not here. Put your
man down.
Renaissance go round.
Watch out.
Yes, can I start with you?
Everybody point and refer.
Renaissance I'm a murder, bombo class. We are a murder.
You know what? English. Rafa, you're bad. You are your place with it. Me not done play too. Hey, English.
Big up Renaissance Sound. Big up Heavy Hammer. Them say they have the most bounty. But guess what? It's studio bounty. This next dubplate I played is a live dubplate from a stage show. Bounty Killer perform Black China remix. Live. Never in the world has this been done. On the wire the bounty? On the wire the bounty? You don't sound like you want to hear it. On the wire? Ready? Hey! Live!
Watch it. Me, Sue, Badoops. Me, Sue, Sue, Badoops. Cross. Well, all of them bitches, everybody.
This is a live stage show once again. Hey! You have that on Dubplate live.
Watch it. Me, Sue, Badoops. Me, Sue, Badoops. Cross. Well, all of them bitches, everybody.
But everybody dead.
Well,
set them back, but me a fencing. Black Chiney them won't convince.
Billy them papa.
That gun force, I know you pay.
Blood that run like drinks, or some rascal that run me up over you. Well, not the same thing when Black Chiney them say.
When you like with the chin,
All of the butcher boys out. All of the butcher boys and fans.
bullet.
One and up there.
We don't know why them say them at top of the top. And we never yet put them in on no sound clash. We don't know why them say them at top of the top. When we set up a top, down, set up a top shop. Up a top six, some matches laying blocks. Up a top stand up and carrying that flag. Up a top butcher, from all like black. Up a top stand up.
Who are the godfather for reggae? For reggae dancehall.
Never outdated, even though I'm anticipated.
But the DJ.
We ready for the war. We don't play none of hard. Well, but if this war is war can done. Start the war, Black China in our run. Anything this a late on, show boy for fun. When we back we gonna murderation come. See we let us some. Boil it up and come them a go dead in the war.
I say y'all low love of Black China, wanna make me so noir.
Turn up the sound.
Bang bang bang. All who not liking farmer, wanna make me so noir. Wanna hear me? Because killing pussy and we kill them for fun. Killing a jump and we kill them for fun. Killing pussy and we kill them for fun. Killing a jump and we kill them for fun.
I went the bumper cloud.
It's not a playback. This is counteraction. This is a counteraction. Oh.
Inscom.
121 speaking. This is 121 speaking Chinese.
Yeah.
Listen close.
Cheng Fong Ye Teung Tang Ong.
That means heavy hammer dead. Translation.
Cheng Fong Ye Teung Tang Ong.
Rafa, you're dead.
Boy, I got dead now. Hey, so me I see a black Chiney. When they turn, Bobby turn.
Later, earlier, there's some about police up. Macaw police.
Whoops.
Hold on.
Well, I'm alright. Some are coming like a satellite. Swooping at the dark, them in a them a hypocrite. Them can't put up right. Salt bitch you up and parasite. Brother run me like a sprite. Catch the boy a spy the other night. Bust him in the bus like a guy. Get the boy out on the side. Some of those guys are swallow mic and a report talk of singing.
What was that? Black Chinese delegation. One channel one we not selling.
121 man from represent to the fullest time I'm represent.
Listen.
It's another blood chain again. Fussy blood chain again. I will survive like.
Rapper, line up. You're not playing no more. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. We're gonna give you a tune for your money right now. We want to hear a big tune. We don't want to hear the little jump up rapper.
Yes, massive and cool, the heart of the company.
There's some big tune, right?
Black Chiney and Babandi, my daddy.
Real reggae music. Rapper, you box team? I know you have the bow team.
When you say Babandi?
Many things say, I knew one day we need for a clock.
Right in Mamanera.
So I always look forward to that. So look at it now, Black Chinese got you in a ring.
Sister Marcia Griffiths,
with you,
come in and kill Rafa.
It's alright with me to kill us all.
Big up Renaissance, big up Heavy Hammer, big up Black China, big up the whole Salento. What you say, Rafa?
The bigger forward you get when I call your name to introduce you. The bigger forward you get was with a wipeout. So what? You better play better now, Matsura. Yeah? Then play foundation, okay. I give a fuck. Let's stick to the real argument of Black Chiney, Heavy Hammer, and what's the name of the youth there? Renaissance. One on. Stop, yes, stop. Leave to my place. The thing is, the guy cannot eat Chiney the right way. Let me play a show about this.
Somebody come in town. Tell them say you're Heavy Hammer. Italian drum man.
If you speak now, you're going to come in my area. Let me say to this.
Alright. Every Hammer sound at the restaurant killer. So Mr. Promoter, we tell you you have to set a good dinner. So Mr. Promoter, we tell you.
Rafa, big up yourself. When you talk about world class, me be there for my Salento people. We love Salento. Rafa, if you want me to kill you right now, Rafa, don't want me to start world class now because Mighty Crown them I listen to CD I pray what me have. Me don't want that. So, Willie Chin, play a big tune and kill Rafa. You talk about food a while ago, hear this.
Ooh, where you mean about?
You know, people restaurant.
Ooh, where you mean about? Walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it.
I'm fighting two different songs and they can't play no true. You see how them bad? They come over there, hey, I can mash up the place. Maybe I must suck your boy. Dog! Two big songs can't test every my mama there. Yeah, what?
See them a go like a real bad man, but them a real batty man. Heavy Hammer say in with them rock. Hey boy, and them a come in and them tip a deli cap.
Willington, Pietro, are you not talking? I can't me.
can't talk about me, because me have my own.
Listen to the special.
Good, come on there, yeah.
Classic. A song that's alongside Johnny Osborne.
They call me Sammy Tree.
Combinations.
Alongside a man called Jack.
Find some combinations.
The song called Black Chiney.
A Black Chiney.
And a man called Bobby Chin, no watch no face, Willie Chin. And a man called Super Dubs.
Same big of special care.
And a man called English E. And a man called Bandan Lee, no watch no face.
Think of Bandan, sit down here.
Lord of mercy.
Hey!
Lord of mercy.
Lord of mercy.
Lord of mercy. Oh gosh. Bad boy fire M16. Holy man a fire AK-47. But
hold on.
Chinese.
What the artist
I shoot them with the Chinese stone.
What is it?
Black Chiney kill another idiot boy tonight.
Rafa, I don't know, I think you're dead right there, sir. Search for some, hold on. Oh, not play that next round. Rafa, your time. What a good 45 you play. What a good 45 you play. Jesus Christ. Well done then. Charlie, you will never go a clash with this fucking computer. I'm gonna play now something this guy don't even know. This guy don't even know how well the American plays. That's a fucking 45. Addies, LP, whatever go to New York and get the same tune. But you ever know, nobody can go to see artists anymore, neither before to get this tune. This is Mamanera, but the line of something. Two of them to make it. I just see I'm a good guest. They want to beat me in the head. I said, let them try. Mamanera, thank you.
Hi, this is the Godfather alongside Rafa, Jackie, Gigi, Costa, Alter say, you can't stop ya. You're the best. You know the sound can test. Sound boy, how I hate you. Don't ask me why. That no make it. Boo, that no make it. People, let me show Rafa, you draw me out. Me a go and work as to kill off every blood.
All in their sound boys step aside the way to race and sound, the big bad sound. They'll have the fun, just if you believe what I'm saying, you're running. Gennaro, maximum respect. Come, make we kill off our idiot sound tonight.
Rafa, you try to make it. Will it play bigger sound than Rafa?
Rafa, let me tell you something. Never diss your selector. You just diss your selector laptop say, yo, if you want to go in a war, don't bring it. Hold on now. Hold on. Just through a favor, don't mean same play the sound. This is a Mexican Italian. Alright. One thing you want to say, if this the laptop, right? If say, if you want to go in a war, don't bring it. So this is what I'm going to tell you to do with your laptop right now.
Another sound bite the dust.
This is Jano.
Next to the dance tonight.
Hold on.
Will it
Charlie,
there?
lift it up real quick.
I know some good things.
Show the people your laptop. Show the people your laptop.
Dead tonight. I'm on Cesar. Pick up your laptop and throw it away.
Yo, me never know Black Chiney turning a Chinese song. They copy everything. Let me show you how every fucking body in the world got the same dub. Play that song, man. Watch it.
Hey, John would say sound boy, you dead.
Let me show you how everybody get the same dub. Them copy everything.
No boy.
Pick up your laptop, boy. Pick up your laptop.
You're gonna play something better for Mamanera use.
Pick up your laptop and
everybody play the same shit.
But why you play back tune? You play back.
People.
it's Splice mine.
Okay.
I am going to play a John note when none of these motherfuckers have. Me alone. You know this rapper. Reggae music.
Extra special for the #1 sound called Renaissance. I'm on January special.
Only played by we in the world.
This sound.
Hey rapper.
The #1.
Hey rapper.
I January special.
Rapper.
Renaissance is gonna kill your sound.
If nobody have this dub, it's because this dub sucked down. Them say 2 more songs. Them say 2 more songs. Let me play a journal this motherfucking guys that don't hear it.
Come to murder shop tonight. No sound can put up no fight. Yo! The tide is high, but heavy hammer is so low.
Another one by right.
Heavy hammer is
Hold on now. What you say?
And I'm on January day after making music. I will him run things that
Hold on. Nobody have that?
sound is dead.
This man is spliced in my box. First the laptop song, and then this. Hold on. I'm going to play my real song. But just to show him say, we'll have that. And more.
Another one bite the dust tonight because you know
Exclusive.
so will chin up, play with sound, kill sound.
Dig deep on the box.
Sound wild, get up.
Hey! Jump on my neighbor. Hey!
Will it chin? I gotta kill your sound tonight.
Hey! Pull up.
You know what? People, 2 of them for going. Tell them going. Tell them going. Because guess what now? The people stand up boring. The people boring. Let me kill 2 of them now. Let me kill them now. That's right now. Everybody goes up. Cheers to that. Last song.
Pull up, sound a bounce and the place a pull up. Sexy girl music and get to know. Girl I go down,
They can't trick me. Everybody dance for the last.
turn it in, jump in the store. Music a bounce, everybody bounce. I wanna sound like the lucky one to be this. We tell them you want to be this. Tell them how much of this, nothing but this lyrics. Mash up the place, put you on the finish. Don't be nervous, #1 man in this. Girl, love this, yes, like girl, this is how much of this, this lyrics. Mash up that for your dog, the finish. And that's the thing, you know you get this. Big dog, blood like this.
Renaissance movement. Yeah, this is the Renaissance movement. You don't know Jack here, this me I say big respect to my life, Jazzy T. This me I say Dr. Dre, you don't know the line now. Dre Day, you see me? Sniper, big up yourself. The whole massive stay up. Boom, all the girls in my follow Renaissance sound, you know what I mean? Boom that. Renaissance, we come again.
Yeah, but last song.
Renaissance, we come again. Jazzy T.
All the girls.
Dr. Dre, oh, you go. When Jazzy find a girl.
Jazzy.
Jazzy, there is one word to give thanks to Mamanera. You know that word in internet. Okay? So, yo, give me some bullets. Mamanera, grazie. Un'altra serata fantastica. Big up Renaissance. Big up Black Chiney. They are friends. I'm sorry I killed them in Mamanera, but I had to do it. Tomorrow we're gonna clash with Chiney again, so I will say if you run away with your phone, calling somebody at Jamaica again. In Italy, we have one song, and this song has been played in Mamanera like 1 million times. This is the song that describes exactly this time of the dance. This is original Sud Sound System. Ci vediamo venerdì prossimo, Mamanera Secret Party, non vi diciamo chi suona, venerdì state qua. This is Mamanera Anthem from day one. Forward. Charlie, Elvin.
Charlie, bad man.
Charlie, Wagwan.
Big up Heavy Hammer, big up Mamanera, big up everybody who support reggae music. Jazzy T, big up, good luck in our World Clash. Find some tune, man. Love you.
Finito. Oh. Grazie. Rafa! Willie, let me tell you something about Italy. This is the fucking most ridiculous thing to do. Rafa, in America, we carry this back to the store after we done wearing. Rafa, we play Black China, remember?
Wow, say yo, the number one reggae beach, Mamanera. Boom, Mr. Meadows.
Mamanera Summer Yard, Italian number one summer yard, you know. I'm gonna say every Amazon that can choose them for know right now.
Mamanera, Mr. Vegas in the building, the whole thing locked. And we so blessed. Mamanera so blessed.
Wagwan ENT.